I'm going to show you how to do a memory upgrade on a late 2012 iMac 27-inch from 8 gigabytes to 32 gigabytes. On the package it says notebook on the printed label, but on Amazon's website in the product description it lists all iMacs from 2012 up as compatible. On the left you'll see the Amazon website, and on the right you'll see the Apple support website. Here on the right you can see that I'm comparing what's required from the Apple website to what the Crucial memory stick offers. These memory sticks have excellent reviews on Amazon and have 5 full stars. There's also lots of question and answering on there from users who have bought this product. Memory is not the same as disk space. Memory refers to the random access memory, or RAM, inside your computer. Your computer uses RAM to actively run programs on the computer, including the operating system. When you open programs like iMovie or iPhoto, it is loaded onto the memory, and then when you close those programs, that memory is then freed up for other programs to use. Just make sure you do not get hard disk space storage confused with memory. Shut down your computer properly and unplug the outlet from the wall and also from the back of the computer. This is the button you need to push to open the door to access the RAM. The door simply lifts off. Each lever simply pops out. And I'll show you again. You just simply gently pull on each lever. Each memory stick also pops out very easily. These are the original memory cards installed here. I bought this computer brand new from Apple in 2012. Each one is 4 gigabytes here. Remove any dust that you can, and air can works great for this. Now you can install the new sticks. There are slots on the sides, just slide them right in. The first one's installed. Here's number 2. Here's number 3. There's no particular order that these need to go in. You just need to make sure the little gap is on the left side. Here are all 4 of the 8 gigabyte sticks installed for a total of 32 gigabytes of RAM. Gently push down each of the levers and install the door, and you reinsert the outlet cord into the back of the computer. As you can see, the computer boots up perfectly and the installation is a success. Here's an example of the memory usage before. As you can see, it was getting up to 80% consistently and would cause my iMovie to crash. iMovie crashed about 4 times during the last video I was editing. And you can see here that it's 8 gigabytes. You can see here that it's 8 gigabytes of memory. Here's the memory usage after the upgrade. As you can see here, there's 32 gigabytes now. All 4 slots are filled with 8 gigabytes each for a total of 32 gigabytes. And now my computer runs a lot more efficiently, down to 20% with all the same programs open, iMovie, iTunes, iPhoto, and such. I hope this video helped you upgrade your computer to have more memory. Please like and subscribe, and check me out at theronanchronicle.com.